Sony has set the standard for high-performance cameras, whether for photography, filmmaking, or content creation. With cutting-edge technology, industry-leading autofocus, and stunning image quality, Sony cameras are a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best Sony cameras to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Sony A7S III. The Sony A7S is a powerhouse mirrorless camera built for filmmakers, content creators, and low-light photography enthusiasts. With its 12-point on-amp full-frame sensor, this camera is designed to maximize low-light performance, delivering stunningly clean images and video, even in near darkness. One of its biggest strengths is 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, offering silky smooth slow motion without compromising quality. With 10-bit 4:2 internal recording and support for 16-bit RAW output via HDMI, the A7C R, it provides exceptional color depth and flexibility for professional-grade editing. Autofocus is another standout feature, with 759 phase detection points and real-time eye tracking for both humans and animals. Whether you're filming fast-moving subjects or capturing cinematic shots, the A7C R locks onto your subject with incredible accuracy. Designed for professionals, the camera features dual CF Express Type A and SD card slots, ensuring high-speed data transfer and unlimited creativity. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization minimizes shake, making handheld shooting smoother than ever. With a fully articulating touchscreen, the A7C R is perfect for vloggers and solo creators who need flexibility in their shots. The redesigned menu system and intuitive controls make navigating settings easier than ever. For those who demand top-tier video performance and unbeatable low-light capabilities, the Sony A7C R remains one of the best hybrid cameras on the market today. Number 4. Sony A7C R. The Sony A7C R is a revolutionary full-frame mirrorless camera that combines high-resolution imaging, professional-grade features, and an ultra-compact design. Perfect for photographers and content creators who need portability without sacrificing performance, the A7C R redefines what a compact camera can achieve. At its core, the A7C R features a 61MP full-frame Exmor-R sensor, delivering incredible detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or high-resolution video, this camera ensures unparalleled image quality with rich colors and deep contrast. For video creators, the A7C R records 4K at up to 60 fps with 10-bit 4:2 color depth, offering cinematic quality and flexibility in post-production. With S-Log3S Cinetone and HLG support, you get professional-grade footage straight out of the camera. The advanced autofocus system features 693 phase detection points and real-time IAF, ensuring sharp, accurate focus on subjects, whether you're shooting stills or video. The 5-axis in-body stabilization minimizes camera shake, allowing for smooth handheld shooting. Designed for on-the-go creators, the A7C R boasts a lightweight, weather-sealed body, a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, and long battery life, making it ideal for travel, street photography, and vlogging. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C connectivity, sharing and transferring files is seamless. The Sony A7C R is the perfect blend of portability, power, and professional quality imaging, making it the ultimate tool for creators who need high performance in a compact package. Number 3. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a game-changing full-frame, mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers, content creators, and filmmakers who demand cinematic quality in a compact form factor. Packed with AI-powered features, professional-grade video capabilities, and Sony's signature autofocus system, the ZV-E1 makes high-quality content creation effortless. At its core, the ZV-E1 features a 12-point-on-amp full-frame XMOR sensor, delivering exceptional low-light performance, rich colors, and incredible dynamic range. It records 4K video at up to 120 fps with 10-bit 4:2 color depth, ensuring smooth, high-quality footage, perfect for slow-motion shots and cinematic storytelling. Sony's AI-driven subject recognition takes autofocus to the next level, offering real-time tracking and IAF for humans, animals, and even vehicles. This ensures razor-sharp focus, whether you're filming yourself or capturing fast-moving subjects. Designed for solo creators, the ZV-E1 includes advanced stabilization, a flip-out touchscreen, and one-touch bokeh control for effortlessly blurred backgrounds. The built-in directional microphone enhances audio quality, while the option for external mix provides even greater flexibility. Weighing just 483 g, the ZV-E1 is one of the lightest full-frame cameras, making it ideal for travel, vlogging, and on-the-go filmmaking. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C connectivity, live streaming and content sharing are seamless. For creators who want cinematic quality with ultimate ease of use, the Sony ZV-E1 is the perfect tool to elevate your storytelling. Number 2. Sony Alpha A7R V. The Sony Alpha A7R V is a high-resolution powerhouse designed for photographers and videographers who demand exceptional detail and performance. Priced at around $3,900, this full-frame, mirrorless camera pushes the boundaries of image quality with its cutting-edge technology and professional-grade features. At the heart of the A7R V is a 61-megapixel XMOR CMOS sensor, delivering breathtaking detail, sharpness, and dynamic range. Paired with the new B-IONZ-XR processor, it offers faster performance and improved noise control, making it ideal for everything from studio portraits to expansive landscapes. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the A7R V produces stunning results with lifelike colors and rich contrast. One of its standout features is the AI-powered autofocus system, which not only tracks eyes in humans and animals, but also recognizes cars, insects, and more, ensuring razor-sharp focus in any scenario. For videographers, the camera offers 8K video recording and 4K at up to 60 frames per second, along with 10-bit 4:2 color sampling, making it a versatile tool for high-end video production. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of compensation, allowing for handheld shooting without sacrificing sharpness. Its 4-axis, multi-angle, LCD screen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder give you flexibility in composing your shots from any angle. If you're looking for a camera that combines top-tier resolution with intelligent features, the Sony Alpha A7R V is a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 1. Sony A7 Mark IV. The Sony A7 IV is a powerful full-frame, mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers who demand high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade video capabilities. As the successor to the popular A7, this model raises the bar with cutting-edge technology and improved performance. At its core, the A7 IV features a 33MP XMOR CMOS sensor paired with the B-IONZ-XR processor, delivering incredible detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Whether you're capturing high-resolution stills or cinematic 4K video, the A7IV ensures sharp, vibrant results. For video creators, the A7IV records 4K at up to 60 fps in 10-bit 4:2:2, offering rich color depth and smooth motion. With S-Log3, S-Cinetone, and HLG support, it provides professional-grade flexibility for post-production. Advanced heat management ensures extended recording times without overheating. Sony's fast and precise autofocus system features 759 phase detection points and real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds, making it one of the most reliable autofocus systems available. The 5-axis in-body stabilization minimizes camera shake, allowing for steady handheld shooting.